everyone, welcome to the JetBrains booth
at PyCon US 2026.
First of all, we have the most important thing, coffee.
And the orange tree.
But no orange juice.
Here we have the demo stations, where our team can show you all the new PyCharm features.
And here we have an interactive wall, where we learn how you use your AI agents.
We got the people who are doing the real work here.